Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mia. So let's continue. I will share the screen again. Okay, there you go, Mia. Okay, so let us continue answering the questions. Let's have number 6. All right, Mia. Okay, so let's answer. What is this, Mia?
It is sushi.
Sushi is, complete the sentence,
Sushi is a
is
Japanese dish.
a Japanese dish. Right. Okay, next picture. Number 7.
A taco is a Mexican dish.
Right. A taco is a Mexican dish. And last number 8. What do you call it?
Sweet and sour pork is a
Right.
Chinese dish.
Yes. Sweet and sour pork is a Chinese dish. Right? Okay, teacher's typing a Chinese dish. All right. Okay, wait a minute, Mia. Teacher's typing. All right, there you go. So let us read once again, Mia, your answers. Okay. From the beginning, number 1, 2, 3, go, Mia.
Pizza is an Italian dish.
Right,
Curry is an Indian dish.
right.
A burger is an American dish.
Yes,
Bulgogi is a Korean dish. A
yes,
croissant is a French dish.
right,
Sushi is a Japanese dish.
right.
A taco is a Mexican dish.
And
Sweet and sour pork is a Chinese dish.
dish. All right. Now, among all these different foods, Mia, which one would you like to try?
I
Which?
like to try.
Uh-huh. I like to try. I would like to try.
I would like to try sushi.
Oh, you haven't tried sushi, Mia? Yes? You haven't tried sushi?
Yes.
No, oh, you have not yet. Okay, so you would like to try sushi. Why sushi, Mia? Why sushi?
Because because I think it tastes
Ah,
like kimbap.
oh, yeah, because you think it tastes like kimbap. I see. Let's find a picture of sushi, Mia. Okay, let's find a. Oh, yeah, you're right. They look similar, Mia, right? Okay. Yes, okay. So there you go, Mia. All right, Mia, which food are you not familiar here? Which kind are you not familiar?
The hamburger.
Not familiar, like you don't know. Not familiar.
Sweet and sour. No,
Ah,
no, I'm not sweet and sour pork.
then what is it?
Curry. Curry
Mm-hmm.
and taco.
Taco. Not familiar with taco. Yes? Okay.
No, I mean curry and taco.
Curry and taco. Okay. I'm not familiar
And then
with
with
curry and taco dishes, right? Okay, I see. Let's read one more time, Mia. I'm not familiar with
I'm not familiar with curry and taco.
taco dishes, right? Okay, I see. All right, so as for me, I have tried everything. No, no. I have tried except for Indian curry. Okay, Mia, I've tried everything except for this. Yes. Okay, there you go, Mia. Okay, so did you understand
Teacher,
this?
I also have not tried bulgogi.
Bulgogi. Yeah, it's good too. It is beef, Mia. This is a beef dish. Okay? It is a beef dish. Do you understand?
Yes.
Bulgogi is beef. When you go to a Korean restaurant, when you order kimbap, you order bulgogi too. Okay, let's find a picture of bulgogi. It's one of the most famous Korean food, and it looks like this. Yum. I'm hungry, Mia. Okay. And it's good with kimchi. It's delicious with kimchi and fried egg. Oh my. Very good food combination. All right, Mia?
Teacher,
Mm,
teacher,
yes.
my mom doesn't want me to eat BBQ.
Barbecue? Doesn't want you to eat barbecue?
Yes.
Why not? It's one of the best food. One of the most delicious, Mia. Why
Yes,
not?
yes, because I told my mom to let me eat this, but my mom also didn't.
Your mom does not allow you to eat barbecue. It's the best. Yeah, but of course, too much of it is not good. Right, Mia? Maybe. Maybe you can try again to tell your mom, ask your mom, Mom, let's have some barbecue. Okay,
Yes.
Mia? I love this one. Oh, so good. Yeah, it's good with rice. I eat barbecue with rice, Mia. You too? Do you also eat barbecue with rice?
No, not really.
Nah, just barbecue. Just just barbecue, right? Yes? Okay, I see, Mia. I'm hungry. Teacher is hungry. Okay, do you have anything to tell, ask, share with teacher?
No.
Nothing. Okay, so now let's have the next page. It's writing practice, writing basics
True.
2. And the other one was writing basic 1. This is writing basics 2. So in here, we are going to choose the correct ingredients for each food and complete the sentences. Okay. So do you want to read? Mia, can you read for me? 1, 2, 3, go.
Pork, sweet and sour sauce, and onions. Bread,
Right.
beef, lettuce, and tomato. Pizza
Right.
dough, cheese, and different toppings.
Right.
Noodles, tomato sauce, and garlic. Beef,
Right.
soy sauce, and seasoned oil.
Yeah, how about sesame? Not sesame, sesame.
Sesame.
Yeah, sesame oil. All right, Mia? Yes. Okay, so careful with sesame oil. Okay, so now let's answer. Number 1, complete the sentence. What is pizza made with? It's made with?
Pizza is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings.
Yes. What about hamburger?
Hamburger is made
Mm-hmm.
from bread, beef, lettuce, and tomato.
Yeah, bread, lettuce, and tomato. And of course, some meat. Some meat, pork or beef patty. Right, Mia? Okay, next, number 3. What about tomato spaghetti? Ooh, tomato spaghetti. Yum.
Tomato spaghetti is made from noodles, tomato sauce, and garlic.
Yeah, okay. It's made with noodles, tomato sauce, and garlic. Oh, I love pizza. I love spaghetti too, Mia.
Yes, I also love it.
How about white spaghetti? Have you tried white spaghetti, Mia?
Yes, and this is
Mm.
made from cream. It is yummier than this
Yummier.
regular spaghetti.
Really? It's yummier. It's more delicious than red spaghetti. Yes?
Yes,
Mm.
and
I
made from
like, and what?
and, and the spaghetti with cream.
Oh, yeah, spaghetti with cream, right? Oh, okay. I like both, Mia. I like white and red spaghetti. Okay. White and red pasta, they say. Number 4 now. Bulgogi. What is it made with?
Bulgogi is made from
Made with?
beef,
Made
soy
with
sauce, and sesame oil. Sesame.
sesame. Yeah, made with beef, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Okay, next, Mia. Number 4.
Sweet and sour pork is made from pork, sweet and sour sauce, and onions.
Yeah, made with pork. Hold on, teacher's typing. Sweet and sour sauce and onions. All right, and onions. Yum, Mia. I'm really hungry right now. I don't know why. Okay, let's read alternately, Mia. You know alternate? So I'm going to read first, then you, then teacher again, then you again. All right, Mia? Okay, I'll begin. Pizza is made with pizza dough, cheese, and different toppings. Next.
A hamburger is made of bread, beef, lettuce, and tomato.
Wow. Number 3, tomato spaghetti is made with noodles, tomato sauce, and garlic.
Bulgogi is made with beef, soy sauce, and sesame oil.
Wow, very good pronunciation. Number 5, sweet and sour pork is made with pork, sweet and sour sauce, and onions. Yes. Okay, great. All right, so next part. So let's answer, Mia. We are going to complete the sentences using the words in the box. All right, Mia? So let us read the words first. Can you read for me, Mia?
You can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce.
Okay, sorry, Mia. Let's read the words first. Ketchup. Let's read.
Ketchup, rice or
Yes.
naan bread, soy sauce, cheese powder or hot sauce, butter or jam.
Yes. All right. Mia, do you know naan bread? Naan bread is an Indian flat bread. You know, flat bread, like a pizza dough or like this one. Okay, let's find a picture of naan. Okay, this one, this is how it looks like. Can you see?
Yes.
And it's good too. It's good with curry sauce, Mia.
Yes.
Yum. Have you tried it?
No.
No. Okay, so don't forget, Mia. Naan bread is Indian flat bread. Okay, it's flat. All right, Mia, get it? Mm.
Yes.
All right, so now let's read and answer number 2. You can
You can eat
eat
you can eat French fries
with
ketchup.
ketchup. Yes, okay. I love my French fries. I love French fries with ketchup, Mia. Okay, number 3. You
You
can,
can eat croissants with butter or jam.
yeah, with butter or jam. Number 4. You
You can
can,
eat sushi with soy sauce.
yeah, with soy sauce. Right. Okay. And last number 5.
You can eat curry with rice or naan bread.
Yeah, you can eat curry with rice or naan bread. Teacher likes both rice and naan bread. They're delicious, like this one, Mia. Yummy, 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 yummy. Right, Mia? Okay. All right. So, Mia, how about in your country in Vietnam? Let's talk about the most famous food in Vietnam, which is pho, right? Mm.
Yes.
Do you eat it with something? With other food, with other dish, Mia?
Yes, it's a bread.
Oh, with bread? You
Right.
you can eat it with bread? Ah. And then what do you add, like condiments like Fish sauce, soy sauce, hot sauce, chili oil.
No,
What?
I just eat with I just eat with
Just with bread.
just with pho and bread.
Oh, pho and bread. Okay, let's find a picture. Pho and Vietnamese bread. How does it look like? Ah, wait a minute. Oh, what?
For that.
Not this one. What about this, Mia? Banh mi?
No,
Just the bread? Not sandwich, Mia? Yes? Okay. Can you make it spicy, Mia?
no, because I
Ah,
didn't like eating spicy food.
okay. You don't like eating spicy food, right? Oh, careful, Mia. I didn't. I don't like eating spicy food. Okay? All right. Mm. Teacher likes spicy food. I like my food spicy. I prefer my food spicy. When it's spicy, it's more delicious. Right? Okay, let's now read again, Mia, alternately. Mia, teacher, Mia. Okay? All right, start reading. You can.
You can eat pizza with cheese powder or hot sauce.
Right. Number 2, you can eat French fries with ketchup.
You can eat croissants with butter or jam.
Yeah, you can eat sushi with soy sauce.
You can eat curry with rice or non-bread.
All right. Okay. But you know what? Naan is spelled as Naan. Mm-hmm. All right.
Naan? Is it
Naan.
naan?
Yes, yes. Yeah, that's how they spell it in Indian. All right, Mia? Okay. All right. So there you go. So did you understand this part? Yes? Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. What is the next page? Another writing practice, Mia. It's actually writing practice 1. Okay, so in here you will write the sentences like the example. Okay, so let's talk about how often we eat these dishes, Mia. Okay, let us read the example first. I eat.
I eat pizza at least once a week.
All right. How about you, Mia? How often do you eat hamburgers? Is it here? I
Sometimes.
sometimes. But we have
Pizza.
to choose. Yes, Mia, what is it?
For food, all for foods, I just say sometimes because I
Sometimes.
didn't eat that fast.
Okay. Oh, fast food. You mean fast food, Mia?
No, I mean I don't want to get fat.
I don't want to get fat. Well, so what do you always eat? Mom's cooking. You always eat
I
mom's
eat
food.
mom's cooking and just for mom's
And
cooking and for.
I don't think you will get fat because you're still young, Mia. But you are conscious with your weight. You don't want to. Well, if you eat too much fast food, there is a possibility that you might gain weight, right? Mm. But it's good that that you watch your food, Mia, right? I didn't know that. Okay, so you always eat pho and mom's cooking, mom's food, right? I see, Mia. Okay, so but we have to answer at least using these words, okay? So
Yes.
let's have number 1. I eat
I eat pizza. I mean
hamburgers.
I eat hamburgers at
Uh-huh.
least once a week.
At least
Once.
once a week. Okay, all right. Next, number 2.
I eat bulgogi at least twice a week.
Yeah, I eat so what? Bulgogi, at least, wait a minute,
Twice a week.
twice. Oh, twice. Yeah, but you don't actually eat it twice. You haven't actually eaten bulgogi. All right, next, Mia, number 3.
I eat sweet and sour pork at least once a month.
Yeah. Eat sweet and sour pork at least once a month. And fried chicken. Yum. I ate fried chicken yesterday. I I
I
eat
eat I ate fried chicken at least twice a month.
at least twice a
Yeah.
month. All right, Mia.
Teacher,
When
at class, sometimes I eat fried
fried
chicken.
chicken. Yeah. In class, Mia. In class? In class?
Yes,
Yeah. In class, I sometimes eat fried chicken. Is that your lunch at school, Mia?
yes.
Yes. Uh, so how do you have lunch? Does your mom prepare lunch for you? Make your
No,
lunch? You go to the cafeteria? Go to the
no.
what? How? Where do you get your lunch food?
Yes, my cook in the school just cooked
Ah.
it, and I
Ah.
ate it after class.
Oh, I see. So your school provides. Your school gives students their lunch, right, Mia?
Yes,
Oh, our school provides lunch to students, right? Okay. Can you read, Mia? Our school provides
lunch,
to students.
prince,
Yes, okay. I see. That's nice, Mia. Okay, so you want to read again? Let's read alternately. Teacher Mia. Okay, let's start, Mia. I eat hamburgers at least once a month.
once I mean once a week.
Once a
Once a week.
week. Did I say month? A week. Okay, number 2, I eat.
I eat bulgogi at least twice a week.
Yeah. I eat sweet and sour pork at least once a month.
I eat fried chicken at least twice a month.
Twice a month. Yes. When was the last time you ate fried chicken? Teacher, the last time I ate fried chicken was just yesterday.
Hmm. The last time that I eat fried chicken is almost when I when I took my summer vacation.
Okay. When you took your summer vacation. When was it, Mia? When? Exactly when?
When last month, but I
La
didn't remember the day that I ate it.
yeah, last month. Yeah, the last time was last month, right, Mia? Yeah, but you can't remember when exactly it was, right? Of course. We don't remember that, Mia. Yay! Awesome job today, Mia. All right. Okay, so Mia, time check. It's time already now. We are just going to continue our lesson next Saturday. Let me check, Mia. Wait a minute.
No, Thursday.
You have okay, let me check, Mia. You have a class no, no, no. Saturday, Mia. You have an early class in the morning and in the evening, Mia. Right? You have two classes, one in the morning and one in the evening. Okay. Mia, Thursday. Okay. So Saturday, Mia, we will continue with this activity, right? Okay. Okay, homework, Mia. Homework. What? What is your homework? Yeah. Write an essay about your most favorite Vietnamese food. Okay. Um, Most favorite Vietnamese food and how it is made. All right, Mia?
How? And
How?
how? Teacher,
And
that
and
time.
how? Sorry, and how it is made. Okay, Mia? Yes? All right. I will check it on Saturday. So it's gonna be like 3 to 5 sentences, Mia. Okay? An essay. All right, Mia? Yes? Okay. And why is it your favorite? And why is it your favorite? Okay, Mia? Understand? Yes? Okay. All right, Mia. So do you have any questions?
No.
No, you don't. Okay, so I hope you learned something from our lesson, Mia. Take note of the sentences, the pronunciation of the word, or some words of the word croissant. All right, Mia, which is a French word. Yes, all right. Okay, so yes, Mia, that's it for now. Thank you for your time. Talk to you. See you again Saturday. Have a great day. Have a great Thursday. Take care. Bye,
Hi,
Mia.
teacher.
Bye bye.